I'm no scammer, staunch defense from PNP councillor candidate in St. James following backlash over social media posts. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome as well to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, political campaigning heats up in rural parishes and 4 families seek shelter after losing tenement building in St. Andrew Fire. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.